While trading the financial markets, traders place pending orders to buy a financial instrument in the future when a specific condition is met. Buy stop is a pending order to buy a financial instrument in the near future at a specific price higher than the current price. After analyzing the price chart, traders may notice a setup where if the price reaches or exceeds a predefined price level, it would potentially open the way for an upward move. So, it makes good sense to place a buy stop pending order to buy when the price rises to the specific price so they can benefit from the rally.
For example, say that the euro-dollar is currently trading at the exchange rate of 1.2200.
In anticipation of a potential breakout above 1.2250, some technical traders would place a buy stop pending order at 1.2250 to enter the market with a buy trade and take advantage of the upswing. Buy stop pending orders allow a trader to set the conditions for a trade to be executed in the future at a higher price without being in front of the screen monitoring the price fluctuations. This not only gives flexibility to the user but also promotes discipline. Remember that buy orders are always executed at the ask price.
MT4 and MT5 trading platforms provide buy stop pending orders. Happy trading!
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.